Hello and welcome to today's EMP tutorial. Today I want to show you one very basic command, and that would be the set command. So basically the set command is there to set values. Relatively easy. Let's create some random records. So we have here some random data. Now let's go and do an example with the set command. Let's just say we want to have a new field that is called test with the value test. So as you see, we get a new field with the value test. We can as well here, we can create our own strings based on other values. For example, let's say we want to have a message, and then we can say hello first name plus last name. So, and you see we get a message here. We can as well use a function. Let me just throw away some data. Keep first name and last name. Good. And in the function, let's say we just want to have a random number. So we can execute functions. We can also do calculate with functions. Let's say we do have random float between 1.1 and 3.5 or something. So we get this number plus this number. Then we can also put this into ceil function, so the whole thing is rounded. Ceil. Good. What else we can do is we can override existing ones. So if a field is already existing and we assign the name again, the last name again, so you see the existing value will be overridden. We can do this multiple times. So if you are in a set command, we can always use the values we have already set before. So for example, I can now use override last name again and add the value of this function here. It's the wrong place. Let's do it like this. So you see we get this number here, if I do it correctly. So this is basically what we can do with the set command. We can as well, let's get the value back. So we have the value here. One thing that we can often use is the if statement here. So with the if statement, we can, for example, check is value bigger than 50. If yes, then set it to 50 and else use the value or so. So we can cut off all the values at 50. Another thing that we can do is we can use the case. That also can be useful to do some kind of evaluation. For example, let's say we want to have values bigger 80, status. The status is red. if this is the case. And let's do another one. If they are bigger 50, the status is yellow, and else the status is green. So everything is green because we did this cutoff here. Let's say if they're bigger 90 to 90. So and then we get our different statuses here. Yeah, so this is basically how you use the set command. You can do quite a lot with it. It's one of the main commands that you will use to manipulate your data and change it to what you need it. So I wish you a lot of fun with that one and hope you can grab all the data that you somehow need in whatever project you are currently working on.